By the power and authority vested on me by Rotary International, I now call this first induction ceremony open.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, fellow Rotarians, guests, for this first club induction and turnover ceremonies of the Rotary Club of Giginto Center Point.
President Alexander U. Dumayag Jr. alias Amboy, engineer by profession, bar and restaurant and construction.
I can say that it's not motivation alone that keeps a person going. It takes a different kind of discipline to continue through the struggle. And I could only wish I had even half his personality, drive, and leadership. And to keep this short, congratulations, Pa. I hope you serve Rotary and the community well. Thank you.
Yes, I accept to be the president of RCG Centerpoint 2024-2025 with the theme, The Magic of Rotary. For the past few days, I've had sleepless nights, either from excitement or worry. However, seeing the joy in the eyes of my fellow members, I feel a sense of excitement. I pondered over the right word to say as I stand before you. I have given the opportunity to lead a prestigious club that aims to help not just our community, but the entire world as they speak.
Para sa ating incoming magical president, nakita ko sa iyo ang personality of a leader. Napaka-importante nito. And I'm here standing before you as your governor and at the same time as an RI representative. It is the wish and the thrust of our Rotary International President, Stephanie Yurchik, to advance Rotary's action plan for this year.
sa pamumuno ni President Alexander U. Dumayag Jr., ating nasaksihan ang isang kahanga-hangang okasyon ng pagkakaisa, pagtutulungan at bagong simula. Sa temang The Magic of Rotary, atin pong alalahanin na ang mahika ng Rotaryo ay makikita sa bawat ngiti.
One district, one